Focus on your goals, not your fears. Focus like a laser beam on your goals. Life is short, focus on what really matters most. You should change your priorities over time. Before you can successfully make friends with others, first you have to become your own friend. The time that leads to mastery is depend on the intensity of our focus. I don't judge people, it's blur out the center of my attention, my focus, myself. It's not always that we need to do more, but rather that we need to focus on less. You can't get attention of one who focused on himself. It's as if when I open myself up to every perception, things create their own focus. I believe that as much as you take, you have to give back. It's important not to focus on yourself too much. The secret to success is focusing on what will work and seeing it through. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, focus your energy on what you can create. Everyone's time is limited. What matters most is to focus on what matters most. Focus on what you can control, that is always enough. I will live the focused life because it's the best kind there is. What you focus on expand, so focus on what you want, not what you do not want. Success at anything will always come down to this focus and effort, and we control both. I don't spend a lot of time asking why. Instead, I focus on what I should do now or how I should react. Don't waste your time to make new dreams, but waste it to make one of your lifetime dreams come true. It's all about reprogramming our minds to focus more on what brings us joy. The focusing power of attention never fails. It is the secret of success. Concentrate, then go after what you want. Focus on your strength, not on other weakness. As long as you focus on what's important to you, you will be a success and true and true. Forget about what you do not have. Focus on what you have for its expansion. Don't be so focused on the problem that you neglect to see the progress. Forget what we became. Focus on what we are capable of becoming. The attention you give to your bad habits is the fountain from which they draw their strength. The power of concentration is the only key to the treasure hour of knowledge. Our thoughts create our reality. Where we put our focus is the direction we tend to go.